Hi there, pizza lovers. Welcome to our behind-the-scenes tour of a pizza factory. Let's go through the complete process, from raw ingredients to fully assembled, baked, and boxed pizzas ready for distribution. Let's get the cash rolling. Our tour begins with dough preparation. Large industrial mixers combine flour, water, yeast, salt, and oil to make pizza dough. The amounts and mixing durations are meticulously managed to produce the ideal consistency. Watch those mixers go. It's like a dough dance party inside. After combining, the dough is kneaded to create gluten, which gives it the desired texture and flexibility. It is then set aside to rest and rise, allowing the yeast to ferment and the dough to develop taste. Once the dough has risen, it is divided into individual balls. The dough balls are then flattened and formed into pizza bases with automated rollers and presses. To ensure consistency, each foundation has a constant shape and size. Perfectly shaped pizza foundation. It resembles a pizza runway display. The shaped pizza bases are placed on conveyors, ready to move to the next stage of the process. Come aboard the Pizza Conveyor Express. Next stop, sauce station. Now let's look at the sauce preparation. Tomatoes, herbs, spices, and other ingredients are combined in enormous vats to make a thick and tasty pizza sauce. The recipe has been meticulously designed to obtain the ideal flavor balance. I can almost smell that delicious sauce. The sauce is then evenly spread onto the pizza bases by automated machines, ensuring each base gets the right amount of sauce. Spread that sauce like you're painting a masterpiece. Now comes the fun part. The toppings. The pizza bases are transported along a conveyor to multiple topping stations. Each station incorporates a distinct element, such as cheese, pepperoni, vegetables, or other toppings. Observe as the cheese is generously sprinkled over the sauce. Automated dispensers ensure that cheese is evenly distributed on every pizzas. It's a cheese wonderland. Then, other toppings such as pepperoni, mushrooms, olives, and bell peppers are added. Each topping station is precisely calibrated to ensure consistency in the quantity and placement of toppings. Once fully built, the pizzas are placed in massive industrial ovens to bake. These ovens are set to high temperatures so that the pizzas cook quickly and uniformly. The baking time and temperature are precisely managed to create the ideal crust and melt the cheese. It's getting heated in here. Each pizza is measured and weighed to verify it matches manufacturer guidelines. Any pizzas that do not match the requirements are kept aside for additional scrutiny. Only the finest pizzas make the cut. Quality is crucial. Once the pizzas have passed the quality inspections, they are moved to the packaging lines. They are sliced into parts by automatic slicers and then packaged in trays or cartons. The packaging is intended to keep the pizzas fresh and protected during transportation. Each packaging includes important information such as the manufacture date, expiration date, and nutritional statistics. The packages are then sealed to maintain freshness. Finally, the packed pizzas are transported into refrigerated trucks. These trucks will distribute pizzas to grocery stores, restaurants, and other food service establishments. The cold chain is maintained throughout transportation to keep the pizzas frozen and fresh. Thank you for joining us on this delightful adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to We All Makers to see more fascinating factory tours.